Here we are in the Arboretum. I wouldn't mind so much if this is one pass, but this has been going on for well over 10 minutes now. Some idiot is circling the Arboretum in this helicopter. Before we just had the blimp, and now we have this helicopter. What the hell is this helicopter doing flying over and over in a circle around here? And what kind of total jerk would be doing something like that? It's pretty unbelievable. Here are some exploited visitors who had to pay $7 each to go in here. These roads were renovated at $4 million to provide space for wheelchairs. As you can see, they're a lot larger than wheelchairs. And here we have a helicopter going around again. What the hell is a helicopter doing flying over here in circles? This is really strange. This is the first time I've ever seen this here. I wonder if there's some type of new, bizarre, stupid Parks Alliance endorsed helicopter tours going on. It's really strange. Well, I'm going to end this now because I'm out of patience and I want to get out of here because this is totally ruining the whole experience of being in here. And I don't understand why a helicopter is flying over the Arboretum. Can anybody explain it to me? I mean, this park was supposed to be a place of refuge. That's the way John McLaren decided it, not all astroturfed and paved and everything else. This is just really crazy. And here it is coming around again. Oh well, I'm out of here.